In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated out-of-office responses in Slack. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining clear communication with your team, even when you're not immediately available. Whether you're off on a vacation or just stepping away from your desk for a few hours, automating your responses ensures that everyone stays informed about your absence and expected return. To begin, make sure you've logged into your Slack workspace. It's important to have the correct permissions within your organization, especially if certain features are restricted by your admin. Once you're set, head over to your user profile. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Slack application. From here, choose the Preferences option in the drop-down menu. This is where you'll configure your out-of-office status. Inside Preferences, look for the Notifications tab. This is the key to ensuring your automated responses work effectively. Scroll down until you find the section titled Do Not Disturb. Activating the Do Not Disturb mode blocks incoming notifications, and here you can also customize the timing for your away period. Whether it's just for a couple of hours or spanning a few days, setting these hours accurately is crucial to ensure your availability status is communicated clearly across your channels. Next, it's time to customize your automated response message. Navigate back to your profile and select the Set Status option. Here, you have the opportunity to compose a personal out-of-office message. Make this space count by including the reason for your absence and any alternative contact details or the expected time of your return. This message will help manage any expectations from your colleagues who may try to reach out to you during your absence. A useful tip at this stage is to make use of status emojis that Slack provides. These visual cues can effectively signal your team at a glance. For instance, a palm tree emoji for a vacation, or a zzz emoji if you're simply taking a nap. Remember, communication is about brevity and clarity. Once your status message is set, make sure to save your changes. Your automated out-of-office response is now live, ensuring anyone who tries to communicate with you via Slack will receive your custom message. It's a simple yet powerful tool that keeps your professional interactions smooth and minimizes any unnecessary disruptions to your off time. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure a seamless flow of communication, no matter the circumstances. Hopefully, this guide equips you with the knowledge to efficiently manage your work-life balance while utilizing Slack. Be sure to adjust or update your status as required, and always double-check your settings to confirm everything is working as it should. That's it for today. Thank you for joining in, and happy automating.